Hey guys, and welcome back to Workshop Works. Today we're going to be taking a look at your first Python program. In the previous tutorial, I showed you guys how you can install Python. Now we're going to be using Python shell to make your first program. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, in order to run Python, simply open command prompt, type Python, and hit enter. This runs the Python executable file. This works because while installing Python, you set Python as an environment variable in your computer. Now let's look at some Python programs. The first program we're going to be running on Python shell is the Hello World program. This is generally the first program for any programmer. It is simply to output the phrase Hello World. Now in Python, we will use the print statement for this. The syntax is pretty simple. All you need to do is type the word print, followed by brackets, and then type in whatever you want to print. So in this case, we're going to be printing the string Hello World. So type in double quotes and Hello World, and after doing that, close the double quotes and the brackets, and when you hit enter, the phrase Hello World is going to be printed out. So there you go, that was your first program. You can do more with Python shell, like executing mathematical operations. So let's say I want to add two numbers. Python returns the sum. There are also some fun things hidden in Python shell. For example, if you execute the command import this, Python shows you a beautiful poem written by Tim Peters about the magnificence of Python. And lastly, to exit Python shell, all you need to do is type exit and open and close brackets. This exits Python shell. You can do much hardcore programming with Python shell as it mainly supports one-line commands. Hence, from the next video, I'm going to be using text editors and IDEs so that we can focus on more complex and hardcore programming. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to Workshop Works.